Now we will continue with the benefits of the asanas and the prevention of the different diseases. If one individual is performing the asana in a regular basis, he can prevent the different diseases and he can cure the different deformities of the one individual. So now we are going to discuss the point wise about the benefits of the asana and the prevention of the different diseases. Point number 1. The bones and the joints become strong. When we perform asana in a regular or every day, our bones, cartilage and the ligaments become more stronger. Not even this, apart from this, the height of the children is also increased while performing the asana, or we can say after performing the asana the students can increase their height also. The joints are also able to bear the more pressures. So if he will perform the asana, it improves the flexibility of the joint also. The flexibility of the spine is also enhanced. As we know, in asana, the different types of body deformities can be also prevented and corrected. Now point number 2, muscle become stronger. As we know, the asana improve the muscle of the body becomes more stronger and the efficiency of the muscles increase and the fat does not accumulate in our body. So extra fat will be reduced while performing the asanas. The point number 3, the circulation of the blood become normal. While practicing the asana, the stroke volume as well as the cardiac output increase because the cardiac muscles start working more strongly and effectively. So the blood circulation is improved and the blood pressures become normal and stable. Most important thing or most important point is this: it will reduce the blood cholesterol in our body. If we perform the asana, we can reduce the blood cholesterol from our body. Point number 4, the respiratory organ become efficient. As we know, the asana can improve the respiratory organs also, or the respiratory organs become more efficient and the vital air capacity increase up to the 6000 cc, and also the size of the lungs and the chest also enhance while performing the asanas. It also improves the willpower of the one individual, and various diseases such as cough, asthma and the cancer can be prevented while performing the asana. Next point, efficiency of the digestive systems increase. All the organs of the digestive systems of our body work effective and the proper way. While performing asana, we can avoid the constipations and the gas problem can be reduced through the different types of asanas. Now next point, nervous system become strengthened. In this point, the most important thing is the neuromuscular coordination improve more while performing the asana. It also improves the mental power of the one individual. Practicing asana improves the memory, and the feeling of the disappointment can be also reduced while performing asana. So finally, we can say there is a lots of advantage to perform the asana in a daily basis, or there is a lots of benefits of the asana, and we can prevent the different types of diseases while performing the asana in a regular basis. Thank you.